p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rain extending from Apex to Raleigh. These storms were moving slowly northeast at 20 miles per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Wake Forest, Gardner, Palmerview International, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Knightdale, and Roseville. Turn around. Don T. drowned when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina. This is NOAA Weather Radio.